I'm super excited. This is gonna be fun. Ray's stoked because this is her first ever backpacking trip. So yeah, I think we've got everything sorted. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Do you remember the feeling of your very first overnight backpacking trip? Because I sure do. It's nerves, it's excitement, it's anticipation, and I got to re-experience that as I brought my friend Ray on her very first backpacking trip. We chose the Juan de Fuca Trail on Vancouver Island to spend 4 days and 3 nights camping on beautiful coastlines in a temperate rainforest. This is a challenging trail with roots and mud, but also beautiful views of the ocean, hidden waterfalls, and gorgeous campsites. Okay, here's Ray putting her backpack on for the first time. Hey, that didn't look bad at all. Ta-da!
Got it, got it.
Crushing it. And then do your chest strap up. Get all cinched in. Hey.
Hey.
Do a twirl. Are you ready? I think we're ready. I think it's time to go. How does it feel dragging it up the stairs? So we just arrived on the island and we're driving through Victoria, and then we're making our way to Souk. Ray is just filling up gas right now. And then we're gonna meet her boyfriend at Botanical Beach, where we'll leave our car and then he's gonna drive us back down to the trailhead, which is super handy. So then when we finish the trail, my car will be waiting for us and we can just drive home.
Can we get 2 turkey cranberry?
Hi Ray, you ready for this?
Yes.
Hells yeah, it's gonna be awesome. You're here with a professional.
Yes.
Hey, we're starting. So cute. Have you paid? Yes, we have. Ah, I love it. Yes. I'm so stoked. Oh, look how beautiful it is. So far I'm pretty impressed. There's like no mud at all. And this would be the muddy section. I mean, there's muddy sections all over, but like, it's a good sign. It's such a fat pack. You look like a backpack with legs. So this is Juan de Fuca National Park. And we started right over here. And we're gonna go, now we're here. We're gonna go to here. Doesn't look as good as the flagging tape, but it's so cool that that's just one tree that tipped over. Okay, we've reached our first nice little mud patch. She's lovely. It's about 5:30 now, and we're just 1 kilometer from camp. So at some point, this trail will pop out of the forest and back down to the beach. We'll be camped on the beach at Bear Beach tonight. So far it's been really beautiful, just kind of like undulating up and down, rolling climbs through this like beautiful coastal rainforest. I'm having a great time. I mean, I always have a great time when I'm back on trail. It's my favorite place to be. It's also super fun to take someone who hasn't done this before, because like I love doing it so much and it brings me so much joy. It's like, oh, I hope it does the same for other people, especially my friends. Yeah, when else have you hiked with a backpack?
Never.
Exactly. Well, now you've done 9. Crushing it. Because yours is a 1 person.
Yep.
And mine's skinny.
Nope. Not that way.
Yep, that's it. Squeeze it. Button. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Et voila. Ramen and tuna. Classic meal. That cost me $2. Alright, what's the verdict?
It's okay.
That's a pretty pitiful review.
It's pretty hot right now.
Okay. Solidly mediocre.
Yep.
Excellent. I'll put mine up if it makes you feel better. I'll go through it. There we go. Yeah. There it is. Good morning.
Did you get up at all last week?
I love waking up on the beach. It's so nice. Doing a little bit of surgery. Day 2 on the Juan de Fuca. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, that's 11 kilometers. It's beautiful. In like a gross, squishy kind of way. Bear poop. Only kind of fresh.
There's like 0 bugs.
Hi. I know, I'm actually shocked that there's no bugs. It's so nice.
No.
Anyway, we made it to camp. No one died. Most of all her. Sloppy lasagna and ramen with tuna. Today was a really nice day. We hiked 12 kilometers and it was a lot of up and down. It's the toughest section of the trail, but Ray was a real trooper. I know it was like a real push for her. She hasn't really done a hike that long before. We completed 20 kilometers. Woo! So yeah, she's powering through. I was real tired by the end of the day, but yeah, it was a really fun day. Yeah. And then, yeah, we got to camp by like 3:30, so it was nice and early. Hung out by the beach, just like laid in the sun, read books, chilled out. Ate dinner at like 6, and then she went to bed at like 8 o'clock. But yeah, another like super beautiful day on the Juan de Fuca. We got tomorrow a full day of hiking and camping, and then the next day we hike out. So yeah, it's just a quickie little weekend backpacking trip, but it's been really, really fun. Okay, good night. Ray is a very cold baby. He's frozen.
My body's saying a lot of bad words right now.
Out of sheer joy?
Yes.
Yes.
So pumped
Yeah.
to have this bag back in my bag.
All right, day number 3. Ready to crush it. Oh, the sun's not on the beach yet. We're currently on our 3rd morning on the Juan de Fuca. It's so beautiful out here. We went along the beach for a minute. Now we're up in the forest again. Ray has a little bit of a blister on one foot, but we've put like a Compeed blister pack on it. Ray has to do a little bit of surgery. She's got a blister.
Nasty one.
Yeah, but only one. I'd say that's pretty good.
Yeah.
All things considered. Considering they're new to you hiking boots and feet that don't do this thing.
Ever.
Ever. So hopefully that holds, you know, ideally for the next 2 days. But she's a total trooper. She's crushing it. Considering this is like a trip of all firsts, basically. She's done a little bit of hiking, a little bit of camping. We dove straight into just full-on backpacking, so that's pretty awesome. Love it. Kind of on the edge, on the outside. Yeah. Yeah, and then still just on the outside edge. Crap on a stick indeed.
Yup. Sexy shit right here.
Okay, we can go over this one. Under these ones. Oh yeah, look at that mud. Delicious. Gross. Disgusting. Yeah. This section of the trail is pretty messed up. Yeah. It's seen better days. Just following flags through a maze of deadfall. This is definitely the worst part of the trail so far. So we ended up wandering around in the woods for 20 minutes because we followed the flags. The flags don't follow the trail. So we did some bushwhacking in the forest. But we found the trail again with our expert navigation skills. I don't understand how that happened. And we were clearly not the only ones to do it. There were footprints the entire way. We just went the industrial direction. It's fine. Hello, sir. Oh, look at all these tent pads this time. It's new. These were not there last time I was here. Yeah, give us a wound tour. Altogether, not too bad. Maybe that's why it's soup, because you never wait long enough.
This is true.
So crunchy. Good morning. It's a lovely morning in the forest. This was a really nice spot to camp last night, actually. It was really quiet, and dark, and warm. I was overheated. Ray was still freezing, so can't win them all. Yeah. It's actually so funny.
Soupy oatmeal.
Mm-hmm. Delicious.
What is this?
What have you left me with? This puddle of dirt.
It hurts so bad. I understand why people do this. It's a blast, but my body is killing me. And if it didn't hurt, this would be the most incredible thing ever. But it's not right now. I'm dying.
Thank you for your honesty.
I look like Bigfoot's cousin.
Yeah. Oh, now you do. Yeah. Alright, it's our 4th morning on trail, and we're getting out today. We got 14 kilometers to get to Botanical Beach, to our car, and then we're out of here. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. It's so beautiful out. We've had great weather, if not a little chilly, but yeah, really nice. So we're currently at Little Kutch Creek campsite. We're gonna go from here all the way to Botanical Beach. All right, tell me how you feel. That's it, just one big breath.
Yep. Look at that slide. This one's big enough to
Oh, dang!
just a big boy. Look at him go.
3 more kilometers to go. We're on the home stretch. Woo! It's just past noon on day 4. Crushing it. You still have to duck under it, even though they cut so much out of it. But damn, what a big tree. These huge chunks. Yeah, very fresh. It smells delicious. Ray just saw the last kilometer, and what did she say?
I said, oh no, it's over.
I know, she was actually sad. It was a genuine reaction. It was sadness. Yeah, we did it.
Tuckered.
Yeah. She's still there. Oh, does it have all the windows? Yes, it does. I'm done. We did it! Okay, now you're done. Okay, I am just about to get on the ferry. I drove straight to the ferry terminal, bought a ticket, and they were like, you're boarding right now. So that was perfect. So I dropped Ray off with her boyfriend Jeremy, and that is the end of that. We had such a good time. It was super fun. 4 days, 3 nights on the Juan de Fuca. It was excellent. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. Really appreciate it. Bye.